क्या है रे, ये कुछ भी नहीं दिख रहा है। Hey, good morning guys, welcome back to the channel. So it's a long weekend up and we have planned a good 2000 kilometer road trip, and time right now is 2:24 a.m. So we've planned to cover about 14 to 15 destinations which you would be seeing in the vlogs very soon. Who are we traveling? It is me, Pratap and Dr. Manu. We've covered close to 260 kilometers and we're close to Davangere, and our journey comes to a slow bit here because of zero visibility because of the fog around. So we've stopped here. This is our first pit stop. Time right now is around 6 a.m. and we have traveled almost about 350 kilometers by now, and we have 100 more kilometers to go. But by then the road is so foggy, it's totally no visibility. You can just have a look around my background. So another 100 kilometers should take about 1.5 hours to reach our first destination for the day, that is the Sirsi Marikamba temple. And if fog wasn't there, by now we would have covered half our way. And look at this beautiful view. So it's time to continue our journey. So we had taken our pit stop here, that is for chai. So we had some chai on a small shop there at a place called Kodi, and from there we are now heading to Sirsi, which is about 77 kilometers, and with this fog around it shows another 1 hour 43 minutes and we should reach Sirsi by 8:53 a.m. So I was asking Pratap also to speak in the vlog, but Pratap है कि बात करना ही नहीं चाहता है. Pratu, so what's your feeling so far?
शुक्रिया निखिल. मैं बहुत बात करना चाहता हूँ पर सोचना पड़ता है आपके साथ में क्या बात करना है. दोस्तों, स्वागत है हमारे चैनल पे. जैसे आप देख रहे होंगे कि हम जितना हो सके कर्नाटका के अंदर जो भी पर्यटन स्थल है उसको हम लोग देखते हैं और उसके बारे में जितना हमारे पास सूचना होता है आपसे शेयर करते हैं. और मैं पिछले जब से कोविड का जो दूसरा ये था वेव था जो चालू हुआ, तब से मैं निखिल के साथ हूँ. और मेरा जो अभी तक का एक्सपीरियंस है बहुत ही अलग है, क्योंकि मुझे भी घूमना और ऐसे स्थानों में जाना बहुत अच्छा लगता है जहाँ पे मैं कभी पहले गया नहीं हूँ या मुझे वहाँ पे कैसे पहुँचना है उसकी कोई सूचना नहीं होती. पर जब से मैं निखिल के साथ में हूँ, ये एक अलग स्तर का मेरा एक्सपीरियंस है जो बहुत ही अनोखा है. और ये अनुभव हमेशा मैं अपने दोस्तों के साथ हम लोग हमेशा इस पे हम लोग चर्चा करते हैं कि हमने क्या किया, क्या अलग किया. तो हमारा हमेशा यही प्रयत्न होता है कि हम कुछ अलग करें और उस अनुभव को हम आपके साथ शेयर करें. तो कृपया करके हमें हमेशा आपका जो भी सपोर्ट है और जो भी आप अपना फीडबैक देना चाहते हैं दीजिए हमारे ब्लॉग पे.
I mean, the last vlog that we did, that was Hoganekal, we actually had a lot of support, a lot of views that we got for the first time, and that actually motivated us to do a long trip. So we had a long weekend. Since we all are working professionals, we hardly find time, and most of my trips are half a day. And with COVID coming in, I was refraining from traveling overnight and staying in hotels. But this Dasara holidays that we have for almost 5 days, we thought we should explore some remote part of Karnataka, and that's where the road trip plan came in. Or hamari. So doctor, what do you think? What is your expectation from this road trip? It's been almost 400 kilometers, in which almost 200 kilometers was just fog and we could not see anything.
Thank you, Nikhil, and I welcome you all once again for our Travel Legends channel. I love to travel a lot, but I couldn't find a good friend who can take me along with to his trips. So Nikhil started this channel, and I and myself and Pratap started supporting this channel, and as well as I thank Mrs. Shanu Kulkarni also was one of the member of our Travel Legends, and even my son has also joined, and shortly we'll be doing some more trips. But please do watch our channel, like and subscribe for us. Thank you.
Thank you, Doc. That was interesting. So the member who is missing in the group, that's my wife. She could not join this time because of her work. She did not have leaves, but 3 of us had. So we are going. So hang on, a lot of destinations are coming in. We have a lot of plans for the channel, and as you see, I mean, the roads are just beautiful. And it's, well, as always, I keep telling in most of my videos, it's not about the destinations. Most of us would have already seen destinations in real or in many of the vlogs on YouTube itself, but the journeys that we do, the roads that we travel, that makes us create memories, a lifetime here. And that's what this channel would make, and that's my secret of running. So we stopped here, looking at the view. Look at this beautiful view here. There is a river crossing, and we just stopped on the bridge looking at the view here. So Sirsi is about 20 kilometers, and you enter into the forest area here. So roads get too narrower and they get very curvy, and you go through the forest area here. The road condition is good, but just be careful. Most of the times the road is almost empty, so when you speed up, because there are too many turns and bends, you might get some oncoming traffic also. So just be careful while you're driving here. And that's the Sirsi Marikamba temple. So this is the Marikamba temple here. That's the entrance. On the occasion of Dasara, there's a lot of decoration that has been done, and we are just entering into the temple here. Wearing mask is compulsory. That's the entrance. So this is the seva counter here. You can see different sevas that have been priced here at different places. So if you want to get a seva done here, you can just come in, take a ticket here and then get the sevas done. So precisely Marikamba Devi was installed in 1689 AD when Sirsi was a tiny village. The deity is said to be found in a local tank, and with the help of Nandikeshwar Mat Swamiji with consent of Sadashivaraya II of Sonda, Sonda dynasty, so they installed this temple, and from then this deity or Devi became the Gram Devata here. She is another form of Kali Mata or your Amba of Rajasthan. So the nearby places around you can see here. That's the bull which is generally used to give bali in earlier days. So now they have stopped killing animals. So what they do is they just draw the blood as an offering, as a ritual, and they then offer it to the Devi there. And that's how the rituals are continued. So here is your prasada counter. You take the prasada from here and then you move out from this direction. So we are done with our darshana here and we are now heading to have some breakfast. And we got to know from people around that Hotel Madhuvana is good, which is about 1.7 kilometers from here. So we've reached Hotel Madhuvan here and we are going to have a breakfast at this place. So we finished our breakfast and we're all set to head to our second destination for the day, that is Unchalli Falls. So Unchalli Falls is also known as Keppa Joga, or it is called as Deaf Joga. And we would be heading there. It should take about 1 hour to reach. And so far the road conditions are okay. It's a single road again, but then the road conditions look good. Breakfast was not that great, but okay, we could manage. So we are heading. So if you watched this video till here, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to share it with your friends and family. And in the next week's video, you would be seeing the Unchalli Falls as one of our destinations. So please do watch, come back and enjoy the next week's video here. Until then, it's me, Nikhil, signing off.